10-4.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, we got a call for the noise complaint. Can I speak to the resident of the house? Yeah. Are you the resident of the house? Okay. Yeah, we just gotta have the music turned down.
10-4. Thank you.
Yep. The city ordinance states that if you're on the sidewalk and you can hear the music, it's too loud, alright? So,
Yep.
alright. Do you got your driver's license on you?
I'm not driving the vehicle, so I don't need that.
He's not even
No, I was talking to you.
resident here. Yeah.
Do you have your ID or driver's license? Either one.
Yeah, but
18, 6 I'm out of 820.
Driving
Prince.
vehicles and you live here, you get in
ain't
trouble.
nothing eating up.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
Come on.
1862,
We're going in
your
the house.
traffic.
Let's go.
Yep.
We're going in the
We're
house.
turning down.
20
Don't
Prince.
worry about it.
We're going in the house.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go.
I need to see your driver's license,
Let's
sir.
go.
802 Prince.
No, they don't have to go nowhere.
going in the house.
They haven't done nothing.
820 Prince.
No,
Sir.
she don't have to go nowhere.
Sorry, buddy. Sir, I need to see your driver's license. Or your ID.
When you just pulled up, the music wasn't up. You didn't hear anything.
I did.
From out here.
This music is still too loud.
No,
I need to
it's
see
not.
It is. Do you want to go down this road? I just need you to see your driver's license. I'm going to give you guys a warning, ask you to turn the music down, and I'm going to leave.
Okay.
If you
The
refuse
music
to
is
ID
down.
yourself,
The
if you
music is
refuse to
down.
ID yourself,
The
you're going to go to
music is
jail.
down.
And
The
we'll
music
turn
is
it
down.
down.
The
I need to
music
see
is
your
down.
ID.
The
Ma'am.
music is down.
I need you to back off him.
Don't touch her like
Why is
that.
you
I need
grabbing
you to
me?
back off of him.
Why is you grabbing me?
Put your hands on top of your head.
Hold on.
Come here.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on.
What?
Hold
Bob,
on.
let him go.
Put your hands on top of your head.
What?
Put your hands on top of your
Because
head.
they gonna let him off the cars for no reason. They
Put your hands on top of your head.
Hold on.
Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands.
Where the daughter at?
Where's,
We need to talk to somebody. I would call. Yo, hey, come here. This is what they was looking for.
This is what they was
But
looking
I
for.
want you to give it to News 8. That's their camera.
This they camera.
We seen it on the fucking car, but
That
you
he was
acting so
looking
crazy.
for.
I ain't shit. But don't keep it because I'm telling you it's a case.
Okay.
You need to call News 8 or whatever because I got most of it recorded.
Yeah, do it.
That's
yeah,
what they
do
said.
it.
I would call News 8 or whatever right now.
Matter
Yeah.
of fact, you should do it
Right now. Right now. Do it right now.
Call what? Do what?
News 8.
Let them know.
Tell him that your dad was planned by the police and that they said that he's whatever happened because whatever's on there.
That's what they was looking for, and that's why they was looking on
I
your
ain't
phone.
I
Give her a phone.
No, I need my cigarette back. I need this.
But I will call
That's
right
your
now.
dad
and
phone.
give that to News 8.
Do not
They
let go of
checked the
that,
thing
Tempest.
that we just found.
Keep his phone.
It's gonna call everything. It's gonna record everything that I'm saying. All I wanted was to hear what my dad had to say. Hi, News 8. I'm calling. I had just picked up a side cam from a police officer's car that shows very wrong doings.
I'm sorry, I missed the first thing you said. You picked up a what?
I have a camera that comes off a police car. I guess that got dropped. There was like 7 or 8 police cars, but there was one that was picked up, and I have it. And it shows very exclusive and vulgar misdoings to a citizen. What can I do about that?
You're saying you have one of their body cams?
I have a car cam, a body cam. I have it in my hand. I don't know what it is, but I know
What does it look like?
it's black. It says AXON on it. It has, I don't know what it is, sir. I'm telling you, well, I don't know what, I just know that I was around, so I know it has footage on it. I don't know what footage on there, but I know it's very good footage. I have not seen it myself. I was able to witness with my own eyes, but it came off of a car that's by the same problem. Well, what happened was that my grandmother celebrated her birthday today, and there was a call, I guess, for disorderly conduct or for being too loud. 7, maybe 8 police cars came and took my father, my stepmother, my sister, and my goddad to jail. And in between them taking them to jail, there was certain things that was wrong, and a body cam, or a car cam, it was dropped. It's actually vibrating right now. I don't know, but it dropped, and I got it. But I know that the person that was around was doing wrong things, if I can say that. I don't know. They probably left maybe like 2 minutes ago. I found it maybe when I called you. Actually, they were slammed against cars and things like that. It was actually just came for a disorderly birthday from an elder lady, and they came like there was guns over here. They came slapping women's on the cars, slamming men on the ground,